Yeah, we just raised 400 million at an 8 billion valuation. We're very excited about our first public fundraise as a company.
And I saw some people joking on Twitter. Why not let the traders in? Give them a piece of the fundraise action. At least they still want some.
There's so much money coming into the crypto industry from VCs right now. It shows that even though there's a general risk-off appetite right now in global markets, and crypto has been down a lot from their all-time highs, people are still building, people are still investing. There's still a lot of new companies and new investment coming into the space, and it's optimistic, I think, for the things ahead.
Do you think Bitcoin's already put in the lows?
It's very difficult to say. You know, Bitcoin and crypto in general are very volatile assets still. I think until there's more institutional money coming into crypto, we're going to continue to see markets be somewhat unstable in terms of their volatility, which means along with those record-breaking highs, we're going to also see low downturns as well. It's difficult to know where this ends, but it's not the end in terms of crypto. This is not some long crypto winter. Again, I think all of the people building and creating new companies, technology in this space is going to result in some turnarounds. And when exactly it's going to happen is very difficult to predict.
Do you think the Fed is a factor in the sell-off here?
I think that when the Fed is making announcements and it's going to affect, for example, global equity, global futures markets, and there's just general negative indications for the market as a whole, or general risk-off attitudes on the market as a whole, naturally crypto is going to be affected. If you think about how much money has come into crypto from an allocation perspective, when there's such a larger percentage of crypto in large funds portfolios, whether that's big trading firms, big hedge funds, family offices, that naturally when we see these kinds of depressions, it's going to end up affecting crypto in kind as well. And so it's all becoming more correlated as crypto becomes a more highly traded asset in this market space.
Are you worried about any of the yield staking that's been going on as we've seen the assets under pressure?
It's hard to say. I think there is a pretty big diverse asset pool in crypto, and no two coins are exactly created equal in terms of the kinds of opportunities they provide for things like yield. And I don't think we can say definitively that this is something particularly to worry about.
All right. Well, so much happening in the space, Brett, and we have about 5 minutes till we hear from the Fed itself. So we'll be watching all asset classes, crypto included, and we thank you for joining us today.